So I lost my job recently here in Denmark. I mean, it was difficult, it was hard to digest, but I accepted the fact that it is a part of life. A lot of things were on the line this time for me, especially my permanent residence and a lot of financial things. But yeah, maybe something better for me in there. So I'm going to be start looking into new jobs, and I would like to bring you on this journey with me, so I could help you also take you through my process on how to apply jobs here in Denmark, whether that is writing CV, cover letter, making portfolios, and things that normal people don't know what happens in the Danish job market. So I will be sharing everything with you, starting from the first day, which is today. I mean, normally when you lose your job, first thing you do is you go to the job center, your municipality's job center, where they will help you with this. So if you're living in Denmark for a long time, you probably have a union. So everyone who lives in Denmark and work have a union, because union is someone who can help you with things like getting fired, and of course when you get hired they will also look into the contract and help you, guide you, and get the better deal for you. Also, some specific unions are for specific jobs, but for students I think maybe some cheap ones are available. So I'm still having that from during the college days, so and it's nice. So also together with the union, you can get A-kasse. A-kasse is unemployment benefits that you can apply for if you're unemployed. So in order for you to get the benefits, there are certain rules and conditions. You also have to pay more per month for to be a part of the A-kasse if you're working. If you're a student, it's free. So make sure you sign up for that and also have a union along with that. So union is not that expensive. I think 60 kroners per month. I know it can be expensive for students, but I think it's important to you have that because it really helps with a lot of different things. If you get fired uh, unlawfully from your work, they will help you out and they will fight for you. So union is important. Get that, and then once you have both that, then you have to first day, very first day when you are done with the contract and you can start work, you have to go on the job net and make yourself available to work. So you have to sign in with your digital ID and then you get available to work. But they also have certain conditions. So job center works together with A-kasse, so they can see if you're applying the proper jobs or not. So they have requirement of applying minimum 2 jobs per week. So they have their own job portal and you can find a job there or you can find job somewhere else. Then you have to upload your CV and your cover letter that you have sent for that particular job. So you have to upload that on JobNet, and they keep the log of all these applications that you have applied, so they can see and track that you have applied 2 jobs per week. So you are eligible for dagpenge, which is unemployment benefit. There are so many things into this, especially people who are abroad, they have different rules, and people who are living in Denmark are on different visas, they have also different rules. So I'm on a family reunification still, so it's different for me. Maybe it's different for you when you're unemployed. So you probably get a lot of people who are on a pay limit scheme. If they don't find a job within 3 months of getting fired, so they have to leave country or something like that, or students have more than 3 months, I think, to look for a job. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know, and I want you to come with me on this journey of job hunting here in Denmark, and I hope this video will guide you and help you with that process of applying jobs here in Denmark. And that is my goal too, to find a job for myself, also help you on the way. So yeah, if you want to know more and have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will try and answer that. And for now, thank you and take care.